Hey guys, welcome to 1 Minute Reviews. This lamp is actually super cool and wanted to review it. My wife and I really like this. It really gives an incredible kind of lighting for the room area, nice and warm. I mean, depending on the bulb you buy, but if you get a nice warm bulb, this thing is super easy to set up. Amazing views on Amazon too. It's like 3,000, currently right now, 3,734 ratings. And it's like over 4.5 stars, it looks like. Super simple to set up and amazing ratings. Easy to turn off and on. I like the floor thing here, so check this out. Just like that. Really easy. And just thought reviewing this because it's actually an incredible find, an incredible buy. Again, it's the Ikea Holmo. It's 46 inches tall. It's the floor lamp, and it comes with the LED bulb, which is interchangeable, easy to set up, really an incredible product. You can find the link in the description below, and we'll see you on the next one.